Welcome back again, my beautiful people. Thanks for tuning in. You already know it's GQ TV. Thanks for tuning in for another GQ TV movie. Now, this one here is Loyalty Part 2. Now, in case you didn't get to see Part 1 yet, make sure you go check it out, man, because I don't want you to be totally lost while watching Part 2, you know? So, yeah, like I said, man, just make sure you check out Part 1, man. You know, make sure you get a chance to check out my other titles. They're going across the screen right now. You know, if you want to help us out, you know, the Cash App is going across the screen. And anything you send, man, is greatly appreciated. I want to big up all my longtime subscribers, you know, all my loyals and my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all so much, man. I really do, you know. Y'all keep the channel going. All the viewers. You know what I mean? You know, Loyalty always considered it as a kind of comedy, as I said in Part 1. You know, so I hope you like Part 2. You know, just watch it, have a laugh, and give your honest comment in the comment section. You know what I mean? I try to read every comment, and I try to reply to it. You know, I really like reading the comments because it make me, you know, see what I could have done better or what I can do moving forward. So just check out the movie, man. Have a laugh and have fun, man. And see you on the next one. Peace.
Cool up.
Yes, boss.
Come here, man.
Where's the boss?
Come, stand up, man. Stand up, man.
How you can't sleep, Sir Bridget?
Me not sleep, bossy.
How you had a prayer?
No, I just check me in and medicine.
Say, hold on. That's matter of fact. Where Shiny there? Where him there?
Him say him soon forward, bossy. Him soon forward.
He's too forward.
Yes, him say him soon forward.
You see, pick up. But definitely want him go pick it up from bye-bye.
Shine it.
Yes.
All right.
You have stuff to deal with him, but him definitely that a fee him chores. Make sure say you tell him.
Pick up from bye.
Right.
All right.
Make sure of that.
Yes, bossy.
All right. Anyway.
Yes, bossy.
So what you rub your hand for?
No. Young bossy.
Wow, not easy, you know. Anyway. Wallace. This supposed to can take care of everything till me come back.
Yes, bossy.
All right?
Yes.
It's not for you alone, you know. Are between you and Shined to make sure so everything is okay. All right?
May I give my
Because you know, right. You know, so I'm not come back. I want to make sure it's everything all right.
Yes, bossy.
Okay?
Yes, bossy.
All right. So, anyway, I forgot to leave out.
Safe travel, bossy. Everything good, man. Everything is in capable hands. You don't know, you don't have to worry about nothing, bossy. Remember, say, how we know you can trust us.
Keep it that way.
Yes, boss.
All right?
Safe travels.
Yeah.
On the gravel.
All right.
Yes, boss.
Make sure, say, you don't forget, let me tell you. We Shine it.
Tell Shine it to pick up this from Duke Dap. Sorry, oh bye. Yes, bossy, bye. Yes, yeah, man. Yes, bossy. I'm from bye, man. Yeah, man. Yes, bossy. Remember, man.
Anyway,
tell Shine it pick up this from bye. Yes.
Anyway, I have to go leave now. Because certain time they fly. You drive on a car? Oh,
yeah, man. They drive at the
oh, you out here?
Yes, bossy.
Take care of my place.
Yeah, bossy, man.
Take care of my place.
Yes, bossy.
All right.
Yes, bossy. Yeah, man, bossy gone. Me have the place to myself, you know.
If go for turbo. B, Wagwan, you still mad?
Then me no still mad. Wait, what me hear you just say a while ago? You go, boy?
You have to go for turbo.
Oh, everything turbo. So what happened to me? First thing first, you work for turbo and you're not bringing in enough money.
Whoa, Mimi, what that supposed to mean?
What you mean by say what that's supposed to mean? You don't know when the man not bringing enough money. My nails one day, and I see that my toe one do.
Hey,
Me need money.
Me don't get 20 grand a couple of weeks ago.
Then you know 20 grand couple of weeks ago, me a woman.
Alright, so how much you say you need now?
Me want 40 grand.
40?
Yes, and I make me have to raise it like my vice.
B, me feel like you pressure me though.
What pressure you?
Big
Turbo
man
not
thing.
pressure you.
Oh, no turbo pay me. I me tell you, say from the other day, things don't go so right. More time pay me a big money. From the other day, the thing I come small.
No, that not nothing to do with me.
So me can't beat him and take it.
Him have construction, him have car rental, him have bar, him have site, him have every single thing where you can think of for me if you wait upon you, if you wait upon him,
So
and you are work for the done.
So you think I lie me I tell you?
You lick your chip. You mad?
Yo, B, me feel like you pressure me. Straight up
pressure
God.
you? What pressure you? Sell a
Big
chain.
man
head.
things.
Sell a chain.
Sell me chain?
And that me say you fi do.
You come like you're mad.
Who
to
mad?
her.
Which one are we mad?
Me nah sell
You
my
are
chain.
work with it done and you broke. Who mad?
Me nah sell my chain, so
I
I
found
don't know what to tell you, sir.
close this, Try close this. You have to follow me go downtown. Yeah, you have to follow me go down store. That me say.
Tell us I have to go for turbo.
What turbo have to do with me? I'm a turbo see when
Alright, forward, man.
Right. Oh, tada.
Yo, Kulu. Yo, me soon forward, yeah? Yeah, man, me have to follow me go for the supermarket. So me soon forward. See? Yeah.
This is hard.
Yeah, for real. How long you think this will take? B, make a call, yeah? No, make a call. Me meeting. Yeah, man, just give me 5, yeah? Hey. Hey.
What?
See how you do down here, sir?
And me for ask you where you are down here, so no foreign you come from?
You don't look like, I know where you look like, yeah?
What you look like? Where you are down here, so?
Where you are down here, sir?
No foreign you live.
You see you, where your friend there anyway?
My friend. Anyways, you want that?
I'm about to worry about that.
I tell her who was my friend that.
Hey.
But tell her.
But where your friend there anyway?
You know worry about she.
Hey, just keep your mouth, you know.
You can pay me off?
Pay you off.
Yeah.
Soon, you and your friend?
Come here now me and talk. So you tell her good say me?
Yeah, why? You hear something?
Me no hear nothing, me just friend for no say you no live nowhere. Boy, you not right for shenty, you look a liar.
You must have to bring that up, man.
Go on
No.
before me tell you, woman.
Yeah, come up with that.
Go on, man. Go on before me have to tell her I'm changing my mind. Mr. For go on.
Hey, keep your mouth, yeah? Make sure you know.
Come on. I say deal with me.
Yeah,
Who this? I say you deal with me. Me there in the supermarket and we pay you to such a girl.
Hey, come on, man. Wait.
I would coupon him too. Hello, I say you do it.
Mimi, just relax yourself,
No,
man.
you're not telling
Tell
me for relax. What is all this?
Mimi, tell us I deal with
Don't
something.
be me. Me in there wait for you all long. More 15 minutes to come up with such a girl.
Yeah, that, I saw our brother, I deal with something with that. Business, I do, man.
Care who you do business with. Me no business. The business is we for go to the supermarket. That's
No,
the
that me I
business.
do.
So where's the ball just so far?
Mimi, nobody start the foolishness, man.
This I'm gonna start it out there, sir.
Mimi, you want to do this right, sir?
Right, yes, sir,
You
now.
know, so me not follow you, go nowhere.
Boy enough.
Yo, B.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Why I say, baby, man? And me control the mansion, man. I want him to you, man. Yeah. I'm a brother. Him fly out again. Is it? So him left me in charge of the place, you see me? Yeah, man. But there I go easy. Drink up some Malibu and cock up my foot in a place, you see? Yeah, man. I live lavish, man. So what you say? When you come through? Forward, no, man.
Oh, Kulo.
Alright, watch you now. Remember you tell me say you're coming, so don't trick me here. Alright. Yeah, man. What?
Like you have jump off.
No, man. You must say, but I see Ghana get in there, bro.
Yeah, for real.
We have the place again.
True.
But let me deal with business before I forget. Remember, say boss say you to do the pickups them from bye. It's because boss didn't want to see you before him go away, you know.
That's me.
Yeah, man, ask you my youth up. We did that.
Family issues, man.
Channel star. Anyways, business first. The man say for ensure say is you collect the money from bye.
Me?
Yes, are you the man to collect all the transaction them. So make sure say you did it on time and deal with the money part of it.
Bye cool still.
Yeah, good you man. Me meeting couple times. Am I right, man? Brother, don't mess this up, you know.
No, bro.
Look here now. Don't mess it up.
Yeah. Me do it.
Cause we can't afford to make Bossy lose half a we, you know. See it? Bossy left we in our house again.
Tell her.
What is the man? Yeah, when I drink the Bossy, where you move, sir?
Why cool? I not even feel for now.
Oh yeah, say. China that refuse liquor.
Tell her.
I want him to you.
I be there, Mimi. She pressure me, dog. We did me give her some money. Be I go tell me say, no, she need 40 grand. We do one bag of hair, nails,
40 grand?
And I'm me alone I pay the bill over there. Can you believe that?
It was a little bit. But after which part you live not supposed to expensive? Wait,
Yeah, you know.
China, that where you live? And then coming to think of it, you ever invite me in your house yet?
And you never want forward? At least stand place me live, man.
Eh.
But yo, bro, what me do want to tell you say? Before me forget. Me and Mimi, we don't at the supermarket. See? We soon run into.
Shuckle bus?
No.
Oh.
You remember the little bee where you meet at the car wash?
Yeah. I'm the shout you until they say I have two girls for that.
Yeah, the same one them with Turbo did hook it up, man.
Where you see them there?
The one where you did go in the room with. Me see her.
Eh?
Yeah, man. I mean, I
So
said, John, no.
So you still?
She see me.
She know you? She recognize
What
you?
do you mean if she recognize me? She see me and Mimi. But when me I worry about now, but me never tell you. Me and the other one did a link after the fact.
Liar tell.
Yeah, dog.
You really go back there, sir?
Yeah, man.
But jeez.
She
You
did
never learn.
Oh, she did say she like my voice and you know. Then I did a link.
Big man, you know.
I like a thing they go on still. So me feel like then I wanna go tell her. Charger.
You really go mix up with Turbo family again?
Me know. Yeah, I did. But yeah, for real. And I did Julop's. I think I did Julop's cousin, you know.
It don't matter how far family. It still come back where we almost get in a serious trouble because of this, brother.
Real.
Come on, man.
Anyway, I mean, I think that she says nothing still. She look cool.
What you mean?
I'll go see her play out.
Just,
Yo, wanna pick up them?
Pick up them, you don't know them organize and set right, you know. You just have to do your part and boss they also say, oh, we have to keep the place clean. So you gotta keep clean one side of the house and me clean the other side.
Channel.
That good.
Yeah, we could do that. No, you know, cook nothing.
Someone you come with your belly. Me no cook for you.
Nah.
Sure.
You know, so I don't know what you talk about though. No, I kind of remember, you know, but I not quite remember what you talk. Hold on, give me a sec. Come inside.
Girl, I have stuff to tell him. I have stuff to tell you. Come off 5 phone. This is that we are talking. Come off 5 phone.
Alright, give me a sec. My son call back here. Alright. Wait no man. Gosh.
You would have never guessed what happened.
What mom? I walk so serious, you're running here and I go and so.
You would have never guessed who me running to.
Who that?
You remember the bald head man and the big beard man who carry up a turbo yard?
What again?
Girl, you know who me attack.
Oh,
Yes, the little two dirty football them.
yo, Crawford.
Yes, me running a bald head one. And guess what? The boy they don't live enough far around the road they live.
Round the road.
Yes.
How
Me
far?
I see with woman.
Let me drink some water.
Me nah cap.
Me can't reach upon dry throat.
Me
Me
I
can't do
see
it.
with woman. Me confront him, you know.
With who?
Confront him. The bald head one where you not talk to. Me
With
see
who
with
you see with
woman.
woman? Listen to me. You see that relationship we have going on? That I go mash up. End that I go end.
Girl, no bother with it.
We are me no bother with it.
Listen.
Me go mash up a boy like
Listen
me. I
to
go
me.
show you say me think
You know
tough in
something
a
why me
real
can't
life.
talk to you?
Yeah.
Listen to me now.
You should not come to me in the first place because you know see this a reaction that you go get. And mash this a relationship you go mash up. And me don't talk. Me go show a boy say yo me think tough. Me think no little. No boy can look down my thing or crazy.
Girl, remember say all of this thing a set up. Me confront him and me tell him so me go and tell the girl. But show me I say I set up and when I really did in and nothing with them. You no need for do that.
Set up or not, a boy life I go mash up and me don't talk.
See, I did really like him for true.
It's not all about really like me just feel like more mash up a boy life. And
Remember
me
said
go do it.
Turbo just need put up on the job, girl. Love it. It no matter you.
And me no business where you want to say. Nobody feel like say I want to come protect him. If you didn't know, say I never want things to go down ill. You never
Listen.
come to me in the first place.
When I trouble you, don't trouble it. Love him alone.
So what you mean by no trouble with you?
But I
Bother me.
fucking even have nothing. We are gonna fight out the girl and her man for.
Me not care what you want. Say listen. Remember say afterwards we don't do what we do, right? The man did meet up with me. You see me? And you're not gonna understand, yeah, man. It's when time things take place, maybe we understand what me I try.
So after everything, you did still a fool around you?
What you mean by, of course?
So you like him?
Well, kinda in a little way, and that's why I want to mash up the relationship, because it might hurt my feelings now. Him claim to say he rate me. And then next me go hear say, woman, no, things have to go down, it don't work, so you crazy.
Me didn't think you drop all of this, honestly. Me just think we did set it up, we get our money and we move on.
Yes.
You never know life never end there, so you know.
It never end, but me there try walk past you until I come in here and tell
Well,
me
we
all
just
of
need
this.
why you for no girl. Me just a telling you put yourself in no trouble. And for your information, the girl look like Taliban.
Me am more Taliban for that, me tell you that.
Be careful, girl.
Alright. Angle triangle that.
Later.
Yourself. Come back on my call. Come this time, me please come tell me foolishness and then next year time yourself in an angle situation. Girl, please.
Father Shine. Sorry
Oh,
for your
man.
long waiting, you know.
That me have something in there for.
Why? Turbo give me a package long time, but me I tell you say, I rain, man.
See,
How long me I wait for the rain for breathe off?
so everything in there.
No, man, it govern, man. It govern, man.
Alright, bye, cause you know how things go, you know?
Alright, so you good though?
Yeah, man, be good, man.
Alright, me I'll try to see if I can beat the rain. We link up here.
Yeah, man, so that way, so everything in there.
Everything in there. If anything, you ring me. But
Alright.
everything in there, good.
Alright, now say a word, man, cause you know, trouble something. Pick it up for you.
Yeah, man, it good, man. You know we not let you down, man.
Alright, next time, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yo, Kulu. Yo, hang up. I talk to somebody.
Yeah, dude.
You know, I'm gonna believe that one, yeah. Remember the money when we pick up from Bye-Bye?
Hey, then a regular pickup one.
Yeah, but that one, yeah. An extra 100 grand in the money.
Hold on, Shine. When they say an extra 100 grand, what you mean?
Brother, listen to me, man. We count the money like 45 times. Dog,
Shine.
a 300 grand. If you pick up, see? A 400,000. What you want we do?
Wait, what?
What you want we do? Come we can't use this right now.
Listen to me, Shahid. Don't even bother think about it.
What you mean?
What you mean by what I mean? Big man, you can't see that and go trouble that. Bossy money.
How you know that?
You mean you think the money just pop out at in here, sir?
Maybe they miscount. And an extra 100 grand. So, hold on, what you want to do? Yo, bye. I count the money, you know, one extra 100 grand did it like, brother, all this. Which world then do that?
My youth, so the right thing that for do.
Right thing? Alright, suppose they don't know. And 100 grand come back to them. You know what they're going to do is tell us, yo, you not real, you're not loyal youth, man. And then we could have 100 grand. We could have give me 40 out of that. And give you about 110 and me take the rest.
You're calling, you're not even gonna say you split the money half and half, but a $10,000 you want to give me.
True. But you're going like, you know.
No.
So, brother, where you say?
Listen to me.
Turbo now I'm going to find out, man.
You have to think about this right. This money don't come from nowhere. This money come from somewhere and somebody are going to miss it.
So you think I
Big
Turbo?
man, don't touch that money.
Really?
What do you mean by really?
So, you don't believe in a coincidence?
Coincidence what? Big man, you know remember what just happened just the other day?
What?
It can be another test, you know?
Another test again? No, dog. What the odds of that happening? In test you with the girl, man, I test you with that.
Oh, you mean?
Dog, you better make a school, you man. What kind of test?
Big man, hear me, you know? Take me foolish advice. Don't trouble the money. As a matter of fact, never bother remember say this is the money.
Alright. Let's see how it.
Left the money alone, big man. And got your bed. Content.
Alright, I'm gonna do something for Mimi. Yo, you link you back in a later, yeah?
Alright. Oi, I remember me tell you,
Hey.
don't touch the money.
Yeah, man. I told you to me out of here. Good, man.
Alright.
Yo, Crown, you must say that dog. You see, boy, Tugger. Now I go and win the father.
How good?
Brother, Crown, they wait for the man all long, brother. I know, sir. Yo, man, the man knows, sir.
And I
Terrible thing I did, brother. You see me? The man of me, I wait too long, bro. Every time the man do this, bro. So you are going to father?
Yeah.
And you are dealing with him, come in and chat to about in the youth.
Yeah, man. You're so far, man. I take care of it, man.
Yeah, man.
See, I heard my dog, man. You hear me? Sometimes I pull up, me just take care of it. You know, me fix things, man.
Yeah, David, Mr. Crown.
See me too. I did.
Yeah, David.
There, man.
Yo, rain hold me up, bad dog.
Yeah, man, come with all excuse. My head
No,
too much time, brother. I know do that neighbor, so please, bro, but I hold up a thing, bro.
Me tell Duke that say me so forward. You know say bike not 100. Yeah, make you think looks upon me.
So first I rain and then I bite, bro. I'm like a player, play the general thing. So say go on now.
Me get the thing them, see them.
Them this.
Yeah.
How?
Don't not drink dragon, me can't get on.
Go on now, man. Just go on, dog.
Alright, look that.
So yo, I them this, you know, I check for the lobster, then I follow.
You know here, you know? You know here.
What you mean by me not here? Listen to me, no man. Me don't tell her what me I do already, that me I do.
A problem this, you know?
You can't change my mind, no matter what you do, no matter what you say. Can't
Remember
change
me
my
did
mind.
want you, but anything you want to do, you want prove a point, prove your point.
Yeah.
Me could go home now?
Go home, go do what? In the first place, you shouldn't come to me and come tell me nothing. If anybody want, listen, no man. Girl, just turn up and wait.
The girl is a psycho. Suppose
So
you see
we-
how she deal with me over there with her man. Me say me never walk with, she'd have probably lick me down.
So me not psycho too. You don't know about me.
Me did want you. Come on, come, me nah did.
Girl, turn up it. Wait there. Yeah, your
You know
friend
say
or
she
what?
beat you, me nah look for you.
Beat who?
Alright.
So you know me back it you know my friend.
No, I am not your bucket. Me nah take no crab cause of you.
Worry yourself, man. Me angry at myself.
Cool.
Girl, me not gonna wait.
See her this.
How she that?
Yes, I see.
Come on. Come on, girl.
My thing.
Come on, go on, Lexi. You afraid? You afraid, that girl? Hello, miss. Aye. Wait there. Me come to you to talk to you about your man.
My man?
Yes, your man.
Could never my man, girl. Go and come again. What you mean, my man? You come to talk to me about
Listen
my
to me
man.
now, girl. It's either you go listen or you not go listen. The ball, no, you're on the ballad man there.
Girl, what you know about my man?
Girl, it's either you go listen or you not go listen. Now you listen to me now, man.
Listen to me. Nothing
No.
I'm going here. So this is just a little misunderstanding.
Hold on,
Where?
hold on there.
Now you that with the ballad man. The bald man.
The one with the beard?
Not that one, the other one.
Oh, so I'm my man.
Listen to me now. Your man has stopped me. I'm going to want him to stop that. After me fling upon the man one time, the man won't stop. Listen what I mean by Jesus. Hello? Listen to me now, man. She did it.
Me never done no weird. Me no know.
Are you me did meet up at the time?
You know, so you're a coward. You're a coward, though.
So, okay, Miss Bully, what you say happen?
What you mean by Miss Bully? Me just come to tell about your man.
You're
your
brave.
man is, listen, your man is
Brave girl.
Yes, me brave.
Girl, you're
supposed
brave.
to brave.
Just let's resolve this. Resolve it.
You know what you do for me?
What?
What your number?
Of course. Ready. Girl, I need to bring down the boy in a good
Yeah,
boy.
man, bring him.
Me a woman and you man, me a look out for you.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bring him down, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me a
man.
tell her that. The boy ain't a good boy, man.
Not at all.
Dirty
right
foot
thing you do.
corner boy. Who him,
Right.
man? Come
Right.
see me number there.
Right.
Just link me.
Right.
Make sure.
Yes.
Come on, man. Alright.
Right.
Girl, listen to me. I know you're pitney, you know, man. What you doing, you know?
What is this?
Me I know you're pitney. Oh.
What that? Look on them the girl they were really put over me. Get her number now. Confront him with it. I see what I say. Like him take me for idiot. Dirty boy.
Big man thing, Shining. But there's a sit down and me a pray, you know. So you really have to me say you burn off the whole of them, eh?
I mean, not even smoke. So the girl have me, dog. I tell you.
No, brother. You need to get ahead in the game, you know, man.
We can't believe say girl look really do that. You know, be.
You're a kind of dark, you know, man.
How do you not go home, you know?
Oh, what you say?
Oh, my uncle me there.
But this serious then, man.
Brother, I tell you.
Oh, brother, you should have never have nothing to do with that girl there from the get-go.
Really,
You
no.
saw them do it. And you really go back go get entangled there, so brother? Come on, no, man.
I tell you. So, bro, you know, so I told about it, set up everything. So, yeah, tell me. If you can get the chance, you need that link, you need that little sexy one.
I'm not even lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But, brother, you can't do that, man. You can't wash your hand where you how would that? You expect somebody?
No, sir.
Hold on, man. The third gonna come back so quick.
Cool, go check now, man.
Jeez, peace. Are you mad, man? Are you mad, man? What there, you know?
I lie.
You should know which part you live.
Oh, me fi know.
So what you gonna do?
Yo, me I go hide down at the room on this one. When she come in, tell her say one room in the place and a bathroom. See? Don't make she come back this way. Cool, just listen to me. Don't make she come back this way, yeah? She
Alright.
crazy, you know?
Some man don't come, I don't know. I got to tell her saying.
Alright, do that.
She look mad, no blouse and skirt. If man for the foolishness. Sure. Hello. Awa,
What my man there?
which who you talk about?
What you mean by all me a talk about?
Who you look for? Nobody know there.
You don't know what my man?
I don't know what you talk about.
What my man shine it there? What you mean by you don't know what me a talk about? Something new what happen here, sir? Something new?
But you just barge in at the people in place. You can't come in my boss place like that.
Me no business boy your boss. Me business boy my man.
But your man not there.
Me no business boy your boss. Me business boy man. How much room in that house here?
One room and a bathroom.
In this a big old house here.
You know, hear it, Echo.
If me look for him and find him, I'll mash you up.
So you have to
I'll mash up him.
Look here, no matter bring me, mix me now no business, you know.
If me look for him and find him, I'll mash up it one, you know.
You can't go and go look.
Yeah, if me I go do, me I go look.
You see it? See nobody not there? You see something not there?
Me not see me now. Me not see, but listen to me, bro. Let me tell you this. You try tell him so no come on. Cause if he come on, me say me analyze him. And that include you in it too.
So what me do?
But what you do? Just make sure say you tell him what me say no. And you include in it too. Rubbish.
Police are gonna kill you. Yo, Shine, she gone. She gone.
She gone?
Yeah, man, they can't come on. Jeez, so we get this mad woman from my youth.
Crazy, you know?
Mad woman that you have my youth. I don't know how you do with that.
I'm going to tell you. Yo, we have to go to the place to find a girl there. Can't believe say girl do that.
I wish I say he see her the first time.
Oh, that the value supermarket, man.
So you sure we're gonna see all she out there again?
You don't know, me no psychic. But them always out there.
Brother, we have to fix this, you know. Come on.
I forgot to do that.
Me no want nobody kill me for you.
Yo, I could just drive one chile as I man. I went turbo come back.
Well, I don't know them man. You know them man, they're not gonna tell me anything.
True. Alright, we cross a bridge when we get to it. For now, I go just sleep as well.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. Do your thing, do your thing.
Yo, the girl crazy.
Mad people, man.
Yeah, right out there, so.
Wait,
Right out there, so, Mr. Them. Yeah, man. I can't believe say girl that really do that.
Why they don't know how woman stay already, brother?
I know.
But me more surprised at you. You really go back go have an affair with the girl after what go on with Turbo, brother?
She did a link me. She said me did have a good vice. So what me fi do?
Left that alone.
Me and her in that link.
Left that alone, my youth.
Yeah, no, me know. See them.
Where? Stop, see them. Man, run faster than my youth. They can't run.
Back. Chando. Pull up, go on.
Oh. You not go on.
Yo, my must catch a girl wicked in the man. Yeah. Where you do?
My youth. I see that I'm same thing here, my youth. That's why I'm telling you, below wicked girl alone.
I never link with the green of the real.
Never do them something to my youth.
Go back at the house.
Back at which house? Go look for my woman. No blouse and skirt paying up. But what on the shining?
Yeah.
So what you really plan to go run over tell them what them say?
I go get Chulops a piece of my mind, cause him letting cousin know say she can't do that, Virgin. Or she forgot to woman and tell me, man. Wait, the girl violate, Virgin.
You're mad? They can't go run with no badness to the man them. Please, you have to go ask them and them, please. What you do?
That's how you go.
You want to get it to what we did?
I may do that then.
Big man, you have
Yo,
to go
I gotta let John know. Right now, I can't even go home.
Are you my blame? You should have never go back there, son.
True, but that guy done gone mad already.
Make sure you're not going to no badness, you know. If I go come to that people in place with badness.
You never say me I go with badness. Just so give me a piece of my mind.
Oh, brother, man, you have to talk to the man that easy. I kill you one and kill me.
I'll tell him if you just one or Virgin.
You can't talk to the man them way there.
So what if you do?
No, brother.
Brother, right now, I can't even go home. The woman anything.
You sure?
Make up mine already.
Yo, just tell the man I look at it. Just ask man, please. Ask man in a decent way. Nobody go run with no badness.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Duke that. Chulops the boat.
Yo, they don't question on that. None of you do, man. I'm not talking if on a turbo sound come here. I'm not chat with you know. I want to know.
Chatting.
You want to talk to Chulops because in cousin the girl she do something dog. She went go on my woman and tell me woman one bag of sitting. So if you could talk to him and tell her if you just talk to her.
Please.
You hear me say no? I don't know about what you say, you know. Because man tell me say I want to violate, you know. Can't cousin a house in a bad man. So what you say to me, youth? What you really say to me? Eh? What you really say?
Just wonder if you could have talked to Chulops still. And tell her if you talk to the girl.
Please.
Yo, hear me say no? Lift out one place, man. Lift. Because that now enough for the turbo right now, you know. When you come in on place come and chat with me for you. Yo, no lift up, man.
Armbar.
Lift up.
You're not for saying.
Alright, make him know, yeah? Yo, Kolo. Go on.
Me there.
Yo.
Yeah, what you do?
Dog.
Man.
Yours.
What is one?
The 100,000. I take it.
What you mean you take the 100,000?
My youth, me no want to hear that. Because I use it. Right now, me kind of happy over there.
That US?
What you did think? Me I'll go shopping. Cheap on my suit.
Some peace.
Adidas me go.
Big man.
Clean, no.
But me never tell you something
The
already.
slippers Adidas, you know. Pull up.
Willis. Me no want to have no lot and part with this.
Why you top fool of this man?
What you mean
I
that
take your money.
foolishness?
Me not selfish.
Me not in the foolishness, you know. Me tell yourself to leave the money alone.
Yo, well, I spill milk right now. Take it.
Yeah, no. Shopping. It's a dead giveaway this. Where you get money from to buy them?
Don't worry yourself, man. You have to me now wear this go over what me I do no pick up. You see the suit, I like the suit, budget. No.
Shine, this now go end well, you know.
But I worry about that, man. I worry about the wrong thing, man. Money in our pocket. Nobody not gonna find out.
Shine, this now go end well, you know.
When you talk worry about the wrong thing, man.
But tired for bail you out. You need to channel star.
Just take the thing, man, and enjoy yourself, man. Cheer up, man. I move, sir. Money in our pocket. Nobody now gonna miss that. Brother, believe in them, man. Soon forward back, yeah? You clean up already?
Yes.
Go and clean up, man. Clean the bathroom, them too, yeah? Yo, bye-bye.
Yeah, daily.
Boy, you call me real frustrated. How you say go on? I'm frustrated. How I go on?
Shine, I should even know right now. My life in a mystery.
Hey.
They want to kill me.
Them brother, how I go on?
Yo, you see your last package me deliver.
Hey, you want me pick up from you there?
Yeah, them a tell me some extra 100 in night, youth.
Extra 100 did I?
You need to know extra 100,000 in my bag.
No, sir.
Brother.
Man, a game man I play with you.
What kind of game?
I mean, ask you, remember me ask you.
Brother.
Ask you, say, yo, bye-bye, you want me county?
No, cause me serious everything good, but me I tell you right now, a whole heap of stress for my brain. Yo, me even know what for the youth. Cause man, they want to take my life for 100,000.
So them a say, you take it?
That them a say, and they know say every mission they send me upon, nothing never go wrong.
Brother, you have to backtrack.
So,
Backtrack with the follow the money, brother.
Sure, no miscount.
No, bye-bye, man. We are too much. And brother, if extra 100 in there, no, that tell you, man. Who wouldn't put you through that? That did go on, that make you know, man. Now do me that something there, bro.
Yeah, what go on? Me can't stay no longer, cause what really I go on with me now, you can't help me, so. Me link you up, you can't help me. Look, come on.
I say I heard, bye. Yo, hope you figure out, yeah? Yeah, man.
Yo, Shine.
Yo.
What go on?
Brother, come here, no?
Where table gone? Where do you place my you?
No, clean up. I have to tap.
Good. So you're sweating at this a cool place.
Bro, I'll be a problem. So you don't even know. Come like a salt, my salt.
Something boy, you're different, you know. Something boy.
What?
You look wait, you buy new slippers?
I buy 2 short and slippers, dog. I treat myself.
Gucci at that?
Hey,
Big money on Spencer.
but I worry about that, man. What you can do with money, you know? Spend it, have to spend it.
Son,
I just treat myself, eh?
but you still don't know who for money.
Hey, I don't know if you tell you about. Come like a salt with salt.
Wait, hold on. We salt? No. Don't drag me into this. You salt.
You know get some too.
So hold on then. So you give me some of the money and then you want come pin it for me. And not even half it they give me, you know.
Me
And
nah
me
pay nothing.
still have that put on because me still not sure where that money are going or where it come from, you know.
Me nah pay nothing for you, bro. But cool. Give me a chance to talk, no man.
What
Bro,
I say?
bigger problem. Bye. So then find out the money missing.
Still be tell you, know,
And
man.
they want kill him. What I gonna do?
There you go again with this wee thing. How you have to fix it?
But me already spend up some of my money. Jesus Christ. You're going like you never get none.
Big man.
Brother, we in this.
You come with that wee thing again. Which part of your money there?
You do a thing. We buy a little ride.
What? You buy a car too?
What you do?
Oh, gee. Big man, I never feel with money and see them out for kill the man for the money and you don't have your share? You have to go find it, you know?
No, man, me spend me. Yo,
No.
we can't come back with nothing.
Sell back the car. All them slippers, yeah? You better find sale for them.
You mad?
What you mean?
Sell back. Brother, we can't do that, you know.
Big man, say you really are gonna make bye dead for the money?
Better him than me. Maybe they can say him last year or something. Brother, I don't know. I'm confused right now. Rotted.
Me still have my share, you know?
See my text me here too. Ma pull up.
Who will pull up?
Bye.
Jesus Christ.
Question what you say. You want to give back your half? No, nobody, no. Forward. Bye, what are going?
Yeah, I know, man, them are the
Boy, look, first.
Sorry.
So what are going?
No, me the give a link already still ask about the money, you know.
Eh.
But me have to give a second link.
Are so serious?
You sure no say you never see one extra 100,000 in my bag?
No, bro. Like me say, if me see that make you know. So them a blame your feet straight.
And me them a blame. Me I tell you say a deep problem me, man. Me I tell you say man they all want dash my youth. Oh.
My God.
Me I tell you say I'm frustrated right now.
So we are gonna do bye.
Boy, really and truly. I pray for runway, you know.
Yeah, man, do that,
I
man.
think.
Do that, man.
But you know the big thing about it too.
Mm.
If me run with man them have links everywhere, so it's like you know make sense me run and them want try for my family. You get what I say?
For real.
Tell you boy, me say you feel the pain when I say that.
Why me wish?
Wait, say you're sure that you're not sure no check it good?
Yeah, man, me check your whole heap of time, man. I exact thing did the dog. Wish me could have helped you by, but
Boy, me.
how about yourself,
I'm
man?
afraid
Everything
to
okay.
walk up on the road, man. I tell you, afraid that street.
How about yourself, man? Them I can find it, man. Remember me tell you, believe me.
You walk on and chip out, you know, so big up on yourself, you know.
Alright, my brother.
Respect, you know. Cause I know I be honest, you know. But if you don't hear from me, I don't know what happened.
Sure.
I want to say man they offer me youth, you see me?
No, man, know yourself, man. Everything I was good, man.
Where you link up?
Believe me. Alright, bye. Channel star. Kulo.
Yeah, me know this, you know. You couldn't tell man. Wicked, sir.
Who me fi do?
You mean?
Tell us that the money they mash up already, bro.
And mash it up.
You think them a go kill him?
Even if them gonna kill him, Turbo look like him play people.
Yeah, and that a come from Turbo people them.
Man.
The money they bigger.
Buy cash pot, lotto, jackpot, chi and che. Any one of them when they need to buy, but you need to buy it and get lucky now. Because you need back the money there. I go give you the 30,000 away they give me. And you need to find back the next 70. You don't know how you gonna do it, but you better find it.
Chano. Go like with salt, brother.
Oi. No bother with a wee thing there. Eh? You think me and nobody come look for me? No bother draw me in this, you know? Are you in this? I'm gonna give back your $30,000. It's a good thing me never spend $1. Flowers and skirt.
Chano star.
You know? And put white people on the table.
Yo, Kulu. How are you there, dog? Yo, meet up over Dope Dop.
Turbo forward back, you know. Yeah, me don't know where I go on, but meet up you on a dope dop. See? And about to worry about nothing, man. Bye-bye, no suspect nothing about the slippers or nothing, man. Everything good.
General, Bill no general. Bill no. Me I beg you that, please.
Yo, I wish I know use.
Right hand, bossy, right hand.
Yo, put your hand right there, sir. Put your hand up there, sir.
General, no!
Show me how we thief. Yeah. Show me how we do with thief.
Better say I know me out.
Yo, stop your crying. Yo, stop your crying, boss, man.
Bossy, but I know me bossy. Me I tell you the truth, I know me bossy.
Say if I know you are who then. You know something? Stop. You hear me?
Me I hear you, boss. Me I hear you.
You know who then?
Me no know nothing. Me no know nothing at all, General.
You don't know who.
Father Turbo, me I tell you something. Me no know nothing.
Let me ask you a question.
Bossy, me a beg fee, man. Please, I know him. You know?
Listen to me, man. Money not foot, you know. Money no walk. Zin, sir? Money no have wings. Money no fly. My money miss no. How me money go? How me money miss no? How me money go? Zin? That me want to know. How you go?
Me no know, General. Me I tell you the truth. Me no know nothing about it, Father.
Say, boss man. How me money go?
Bossy, me no think of him, bossy. Please, me a beg for him, bossy. You see, you kill him with liquor and he not say nothing. He would have must say something by now if he didn't know, bossy. Watch you know, bossy. Watch him, me go do. I go try and figure it out, my bossy.
You want to figure it out?
Me go try and figure it out. Me go see. Go back and trace back the steps in my boss. Please.
Figure out my thing in a Virgin.
Yes, please.
You say, yo, you live the next day in a boy. Virgin, lucky, no. Zane, you're lucky day today. Better count the stars now, you. Lucky, no.
Respect, General. Respect. Respect my father.
Remember, you know.
Respect Father Turbo. Respect.
Lift up.
Respect,
someone.
Father.
Lift up. Yo. I want my money, you know. I want my money. You hear, boss? It's worse next time, you know. And an easy thing, you know, to get my money. Remember me tell you, no find out of my money there. Can't lose so much money. Zane? Money no work. No find the money. Zane, sir?
Chat about listen.
Yeah, man, go through. What them boy, yeah, man. Them things just a man hard, man, work and take chance and come from. How are them a deal with, man?
I'm gonna run back in the boss.
What do you, man?
Mayo, me don't want to hear it, you know. See? Come on, know what me be supposed to do.
You don't want to hear it? Eh? You see what that do bye-bye run this a while ago?
Hey, man, you
Kill him, that go kill him, you know?
ain't like him from morning, you know.
Big man. Yo.
So what you want me to do? Tell him, say me.
What you mean? I'm beg for your life.
You're serious? No, cool, you can't be
You
serious.
know what that but you're gonna make them kill our next man, brother.
Yo, I just saw you going, you know. That done gone bad already, yeah, man.
Yeah. You talk about done gone bad. This just start. How the man money I go?
Oh, if you know. You can go give them back for you, the rest of you.
Give them
Don't tell us a man will spend up already.
And you me I give back the money. You and me I put it in her. And me I wash my hand. Yo, you know make me lose sleep over this, you know?
You have to do what you have to do. After me not lose none.
Big man.
I just saw you go, dog. I just one of them thing there.
Bro, this not right. It don't right.
You know right. What you do?
China, you shouldn't do this by you. Me talk to you in my youth. You couldn't just hold your own.
Yo.
Yo, I better wash off, you know, cause me can't, man, this is a pressure, yeah. Me hot.
So, yo, Kulu. Why trouble send call we night?
But our boss, what you mean by why send call? I could do nothing, man. I just probably give one give a thing, you know? You know, I must say I'm there, I know.
Run and do that place?
I must say, look that and boss, you link good, you know, man. So everything Christmas. You have something to worry about?
No, sir.
You
So
sure?
I get a dream last night. Man, I like what I dream there. I just a dream that anyways.
Come on, man, and stop it for her. Madness.
Yes, boss.
Well, you know what I'm doing. You see, when time I take on everyone out here, so one thing I ask you for. Zin? What I ask you for, boss?
Loyalty, boss.
What I ask you for?
Loyalty.
What I ask you for, boss?
Loyalty, man.
What I ask you for, sir?
Loyalty, Turbo Man. You know, say, one Turbo Man. Loyalty every time, man.
All right.
Real.
So everybody good?
Yeah, man.
All right. Remember, you know, I'm run the streets, you know. I ain't no stop at one of you say, you know. So anything that go down, me have ears. See? So, if a man want to come clean, I beg if you come clean, you know. Anybody no understand what loyalty means still, you know, no talking, you know. Forever holding the peace. See? So we all good? Everybody good?
Yeah, boss.
Yeah, boss.
As I said before, you know, I have eyes and ears in the street, you know, so it's where nothing missing from me and nothing take. You know where I go on, you know. See? Look how me dress. Simple. See? I'm giving you the wages, you know. Right? But when certain man I go out, not even me look like them, you know. And that's another point, you know. Spending the money when you go spend. People just don't know me. I said them on the high roller. How come? Eh? How comes? You know what? A good book say, if you write an offender, what you do? What you do?
Put it off.
Alright, fine. But you know what? We not gonna take the route there, you know. Zane? We not gonna take the route there. We just get rid of rat, you know. We get rid of rat. We get rid of rat. We get rid of rat. Yo.
Hello.
Yo. Oi.
Hello.
Yo, come here, man.
Hello. Hello, don't
Yo. You hear me
Yeah,
say?
feel me.
Come here, boss. You hear me say? Come here.
Hello.
Left the man and come here in a bridging. Who that?
I mean, bossy.
Oh, forward, man. Forward.
Welcome, bossy.
Sit down, man. Come sit down. Have a seat. You look so poorly, man. What happened? Sure.
Bossy. I'm a friend, you know.
Are your friend, you know, but he wasn't a good friend. And he's not loyal. I tell you from before, you know. When the guys come here, you know, I say loyal people I want around me. And him wasn't loyal. You understand? You still there, you know. Because what? You different from him. You loyal. What you say what? What you say a while ago?
Everything, you're right, bossy, you're right.
Listen, my man. Let me tell you something. That the boy they almost make me kill boy, you know, because guess what? Him take the $100,000, you know. And almost make me kill bye for nothing at all. And him are the rat. And him are the thief. So what you expect? Me know you feel away, you know. Me know you feel away, but things have to done. It have to done. There's no other way around it. No, man, we can't have people like around that, man. How are you, man? Yeah, man. Remember saying he's a rat, you know, man. Thief. You understand me? We can't have them people around me. What happened? Have to happen. It have to happen. He's a rat, you know. Thief. And we can't have them people around me. Hey, you think I know? A long time a man they are pushing me under the cookie jar, you know. But me I watch him. And me I watch you. But I'm a the rat. So we have to snuck out the rat, you understand? I feel better, man. Anyway, listen to me, man. Just hear what happened. When you give some money, I can't go give him money, you know. Hold this. Yo, sorry for your loss. Anyway, you see the vehicle out there? Are yours. Zinta, hold this, man. You will get over it. Don't worry yourself. Can't just go give him man. Zin, you control that now. You understand? Cheer up, man. Just forget that, man. Zin, can't have them people around me. As me say, are yours. Zinta, boss man, just man up, man. Man up, man. Zin? Go on. Man up. We see you tomorrow, yes, sir? Bright and early, you know.
Hello?
Who that?
Mimi?
Yeah, come in.
What you doing, Mimi?
Good man, we're just there, you know. Can't believe they didn't kill my man.
Can't believe them kill my friend.
The whole of in it. The whole of set him up.
No, yes. Mimi, I'm not lie to you. I don't know nothing.
I don't know ball in the
I
mouse.
don't know nothing, Mimi, man. I swear to you.
I said I don't want no ball in the mouse.
Mimi, but
The whole of don't know about it.
I don't know nothing, my friend. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, I swear. I'm sorry. I don't know anything what going on. Me and Turbo. Bossy, don't say I go figure out and fix anything.
Hey, you don't call Turbo name the mouse.
Me and my boss boy figure it out me, man. Just come. I promise you. He might go fix things. And him even give me a thing, say I'm forget this.
Money can't bring back him life, no. Money can't bring back him life.
Can't help this up.
Put it down, come here, use it, pay up the bills, them come here, cut for me, so I don't want to set me up too.
No, me man, I say that nobody not gonna set you up.
Not trust me.
I never know, sis. I'm a good friend, you know, man.
I'm a man. I say I don't want no ball in my house.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, man, me use this pay the bills, them. That we work.
I know not much, you know, but I just want 10,000 US to go and take care of the things. My sister, it look like you need to pay upon the bills. Shine it, that live nice, man. That live really good.
I don't see money though, I don't see it.
I don't know what to tell you, you know.
I should not even spend this dirty money. But as a bills, it a pay, I go make it go on.
I must say you have to live same way, you know. So you can't.
I say I don't want the ball in my house.
I'm sorry.
I don't want the ball in my house. Honestly.
Sorry.
Someone come in the house and say sorry about 100 times.
Mimi, I'm not going to go here now, isn't it? But if anything at all, at any time, you know, you can call me.
Yeah.
You can link me, alright?
Yeah, you can go on now in a real life. Yeah, man, you can go on now.
Good.
And goodly you kill him. Rubbish. After I kill the man.